BOSSdelta, the brand new large format Delta 3D printer from CME CNC. Great price, better performance, unrivaled reliability. The BOSSdelta features a removable 7-inch touchscreen to give you maximum control. A 500mm diameter heated bed creates a massive launch pad to send your company into a more successful future. Crank up the heat with the XST SE300 hot end, updated with a larger melting zone for improved performance with a large variety of thermoplastics. Automatic calibration and the newly designed E-Slide linear motion system keeps your prints precise across the entire print area, with available options for 1/2 meter, 1 meter, and 2.1 meter tall printable volumes. The BOSSdelta Industrial 3D Printer from CME CNC, the boss of all 3D printers.